In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to a video in CapCut PC. If you want to make a screen recording or any clip stand out a little more, adding a clean, solid border is one of the easiest ways to do it. It gives your video a more polished look, and the good news is that inside CapCut on PC, this only takes a few quick adjustments. To begin, head down to your timeline and click once on your video clip so it's selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to adjust before you change any settings. Once the clip is highlighted, move to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video section, open the Basic tab if it isn't already visible. Here, look for the Scale slider. By default, it should be set to 100%. Drag that slightly to the left until it reaches 95%. As soon as you do that, take a look at the preview window. You'll notice that your video becomes just a little smaller, which creates empty space around all four edges. That empty space is exactly what we're going to use for the border. Keeping the scale close to 95% usually gives a nice balanced frame, but the key here is simply creating enough room so the border is visible without making the video feel too small. Next, stay in that same top right Properties area and scroll down until you find the section labeled Canvas. This setting controls the background area that sits behind your resized clip. Click the drop-down box next to Canvas, and from the available options, choose Color. The moment you select Color, a palette of color tiles will appear underneath. This is where you decide what your border will look like. You can click on a solid white tile if you want a clean and minimal frame, choose a bold red tile if you want something that stands out more, or use the eyedropper tool to sample a color from your video so the border matches the overall style more naturally. Once you choose a color, look back at the preview monitor in the center. The empty edge space around your clip will immediately fill with that solid color, creating a clean and even border around the entire video. That's all there is to it. With just a small scale adjustment, a quick trip to the Canvas menu, and a simple color choice, you can give your video a sharp framed look in CapCut on PC. And just like that, your border is done.